Welcome back. I thought I'd give you guys a little tour of my office and how hey, what's
Hey, hi.
that?
What's going on up here?
I'm doing a video. Go
Oh,
back into your hole.
okay, bye.
Bye. So, okay, we are going to do a tour. This is desk number 1. This is where all the action happens. You can see sticky papers. All the sticky papers are ideas. So, and you guys know I have a lot of ideas. So over here is part of the view that you guys get. We can step a little closer to it. These are a whole bunch of fat quarters, which are nice and in a perfectly wonderful display. I quite like it, up and down. Then, of course, I have a TARDIS. I have Maui. Over here is Jon Snow. And, it's just fun stuff. So behind it, projects I've been working on and enjoy. And over here, this is McDreamy. And you can see on McDreamy that I've been working on free motion quilting or quilting with rulers, all of the above. I got a new set and it's awesome. So I was playing around with that. It's quite a lot of fun. So this is desk number 2, by the way. And in here, you can see these are all Anita Good Design. Oh, just bits and bobs and different things. Up here, my AccuQuilt collection, or part of it anyways. The nicely boxed ones anyways. I've got a lot of books right over there. A lot of books that I use for reference. These are the AccuQuilt cubes, and then these are different shapes, bigger and smaller. So it's kind of fun. Lots of stuff around. Now, this is what you guys are used to seeing. This is McDreamy, all rigged up, ready to go. So this is desk number 3. Lots of stuff going on there. I have to clear off my blue mat and make things a little more organized, but I haven't got that far yet. So over here is a whole other station. So this is my ironing, cutting station, and this is where I keep a lot of my thread, not all of it, a lot of it. And they are in like color coded drawers, you can see right there, which is kind of neat. I enjoy it. It's easy to find the color that you want, so it's not just pinks and grays is what this one is. So that's how I organize all of my thread and things like that. So let's go over to the cutting station, and I can show you guys. This is an arrow table, cutting table. It is solid as anything. This part folds out, so it's huge. I only have one leaf out. This design is something I pieced together using my Stripology ruler, and I'm going to be doing a video on it for putting the designs, the quilting designs on it, and how I want to set it up. I think it'll be fun. So working on that, lots of working on that. Over here in the bins, right in the corner here, that's my English paper piecing setup. I have lots going on there, and I just keep them organized because it's a lot of work to it. And kind of behind the door here, let's see, yes, behind the door here, there's rulers. You can see my sweet pea rulers, you can see shaped rulers, all sorts of things. One of those bins over there has templates for EPP as well. And I do keep one drawer with a lot of them. So this is my main workspace, matching desks, lots going on. Bit of a disaster on occasion, but I clean it up and move on to the next one. So this is the other side of all the cameras and everything, and it's kind of, we got poles, we got lights, we've got the SuCam, fans, that's actually a humidifier, and we have more bins here. My goodness, I know, I have stuff. And over here is Ragnar, who is my 10 needle machine. I name all my machines just because I just do. And this is my second work area, so I'll give you a little tour of it. Over here is more AccuQuilt stuff. I really do enjoy AccuQuilt. Some of the bigger ones like strips and stuff like, oh, so much, or circles. Oh, so much fun. That's a disaster, and there's also a ScanNcut under there, but it's a disaster. And over here is my second desk, the second part of my second desk. I know that's confusing. Now I have a fabric that's underneath my desk in a box, but let's kind of look and see what I have here. This is going to go upstairs eventually, but I haven't got that far. So these are among my favorites. I have blue, and I have a ton of it. I have blue and purple so far of it. So look, all yardage, which is amazing. I was really lucky to get it. It was expensive, but less expensive than in Canada. Look, so this is one of my favorite designs. It's a Need a Good design. Escher's cat is just so darn cute. I love it. So, okay, let's go over here. And in this one, this is my Halloween storage, fabric storage. So I have a ton of Halloween stuff. I love every minute of it. I keep it together. All my fat quarters and stuff like, oh, I just love it. Just love it. So we can close that and we can look at me when I was 20 with my favorite weenie guy. So in this upper cabinet is miscellaneous. So it's just different fat quarters, different fabrics that don't really fit anywhere in particular. And at the very top is fleece. Just so this is kind of a messy cupboard. It's not the greatest thing ever. But, you know, I know where if I need a piece of fleece, I know where to go. So let's close this up. And the last one, so I have 3 upper cabinets. These are garage cabinets, by the way. That this is Christmas, all Christmas stuff in here. You can see some I haven't even unwrapped, and Dawn picked out some really loud ones. I'm pointing to this one, not the mittens, and that's all my Christmas stuff. I don't have too many fat quarters or layer cakes or anything for Christmas. So along with the top ones, I have lower drawers, and it's a bit heavy. You ready? We should play some dun 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 music. And this is what's in the first one. So these are half yard bundles that I got. Of course, I was thankfully able to get some jelly rolls, which I just find fantastic. This is one of my favorite patterns. And I did get a few charm squares. They were kind of few and far between. But we got quite a bit here, and the colors are magnificent on these half-yard bundles. So more than enough to work with. I'm thinking this is probably my favorite out of there. I might use that for English paper piecing, make a note. You may recognize this. This is the fat quarter pack that I used for the Sweet Pea Mountain scene. So I have another one. It came in, it was a kit I purchased a long time ago. So isn't that pretty? So this is fun. It's a great drawer, lots in it, and it's heavy. So the next drawer is my pre-cut batting. Thank you, Debbie Mexel, as always. And the last drawer here are the rest of my fat quarter stash. I like it. It's a whole lot of fun. Look, so pretty. So many things we can do. I think I probably like this one the best. This is like one fat quarter set. And I think there's like 40 pieces in it, but look at those beautiful colors. I love it. So, lots of things for me to accomplish with all this fabric. So, another thing that's cool, these are jelly roll-ish things. They're 6 inches though. I don't know if you're supposed to do something specific with them, but I'm thinking they'd be perfect for cutting shapes out and doing different things like that. And I got a couple of them. So this one's gorgeous. And what else? And the blues and everything. So that's the rest of my fat quarter stash. Now I do have more upstairs in the fabric room, but we're still working on it. Beetlejuice, come here. Can meet Beetlejuice. Come here. Hi, Beetle. Hello, my Beetle. And this is our tank. Such lovely hounds. Such lovely boys. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.